right, you guys, we got a special one here today. 2025 Moomba Craz. Let's check it out. This boat comes in at 22 feet in length. You can see right away it's got a nice deep body to it. This allows you to stay dry and high out on the water. Speaker light rings, underwater lighting, big swim platform in the back. And we got some audio control and some cup holders for when you're lounging here. Coming into the boat, full walkthrough. So no feet on the vinyl. We optioned this boat with a Pro Tower. So you got these side tow hooks for surfing. Swivel Roswell clamping board racks. Coming up to the captain's helm here, we optioned this one with a dual screen. So you got your bottom screen where I like to put up my engine diagnostics. Then if you come up top, you got your normal view screen. 2 wireless charging options. Cup holders everywhere. Coming up to the front, we got a removable bow filler cushion. Very versatile boat. Come see what the hype's about. Put your name on this one. We'll throw it in storage and you'll be ready for the 2026 boating season.